Vedagram, Hospital Annex. Vedagram Hospital Annex, the specialty care flagship unit of Veda Group, is located at Omalur, in Pathanamthitta district, Kerala. This is a cluster flat, multi-speciality treatment center, with a capacity of 13 self-contained family apartments. Accredited by NABH, Government of India, the hospital is implementing an integrated vision of clinical practices, compatible with modern times.
Vedagram Hospital is starting a new venture which functions as a specialty center for women's diseases and children's diseases. Ayurvedic treatments under specialists qualified in these subjects will be functioning here. There will be special clinics for gynecological diseases such as PCOD, endometriosis, infections, infertility, etc. A postpartum care center is also arranged here where new mothers can come and stay here with their family.
At Vedagram, the IP and OP departments are backed with a team of experienced and well-known clinical consultants. The back pain clinic is headed by Dr. Ram Mohan, who is a veteran of Ayurvedic treatment for the past 40 years and is the chief physician of Vedagram Hospital.
Back pain clinic, it's functioning exclusively for ladies. The pediatric care clinic will be dedicated to children having developmental disorders, attention deficiency syndrome, autism and immunity deficiency.
Vedagram has a special treatment unit for delivery and post-delivery care.
In Vedagram Hospital, we consider the physical and mental health of the mother and the child with prime importance. The physical and mental health of the mother in turn affects the physical and mental health of the child. So we have made a team of doctors including myself, the Prasudi and Striroga specialist, pediatric specialist and a yoga and psychotherapy consultant. Psychotherapy is an important part of the postpartum care because the postpartum depression, which is dealt by many of the mothers, becomes very important during that period.
The Women's Specialty Clinic works here by giving deserving importance to the mental and physical well-being of the baby and the mother.
The postpartum mental health is a very important factor to be considered. The mother goes through a series of events that becomes very drastic in her life because she has a new child with her. She has to deal the family, she has to deal the child.
The modern medicine department delivers services across the entire spectrum of care, regardless patient age, sex, or condition. It focuses care on individual within the context of family. This department also provides routine health screenings and counseling. The Department of General Medicine is well equipped and efficiently working with experienced doctors and paramedical staff. The department provides preventive, diagnostic, and curative care at highest standards, and it deals with almost all ranges of both acute and chronic diseases. The Pediatric Specialty Clinic at Vedagram provides comprehensive healthcare services following the principles of traditional authentic practices of Ayurveda.
In the developing years, there may be children are liable to get developmental anomalies like autism, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, learning disorders, behavioral disorders, cerebral palsy, epilepsy, etc. So, in my experience, if we start sufficiently early, if you diagnose it sufficiently early and start Ayurvedic treatment along with supporting therapies like occupational therapy, psychology, speech and language therapy, we could really bring the children out of their problem. Sufficiently early we have to start the treatment and the therapies. And in other cases like normal respiratory issues, recurrent respiratory tract infections, allergies and related problems related to their digestion like anorexia, lack of appetite, eating disorders, etc. Ayurvedic management is very, very effective. Of course, the population, adolescent population, they used to develop issues like adaptation problems, psychological issues. All those things can also be addressed by Ayurvedic management.
Full-fledged therapy units are functioning at the hospital for traditional treatments. The five-fold treatment Panchakarma is offered here, through which the purification of the body from toxins is carried out. All the clinical departments of Vedagram are facilitated with counseling units for information, advice and patient assistance. Apart from authentic Ayurvedic treatments, Vedagram offers yoga therapy and physiotherapy with trained practitioners. A modern clinical laboratory is working in the hospital to accelerate the process of diagnosis. The well-stocked pharmacy, working around the clock at the hospital, is dispensing prescribed medicines to the patients. The accommodation options are facilitated with a cluster of flats, having 13 self-contained apartments with all modern amenities. This is a cluster flat, multi-speciality treatment center with a capacity of self-contained family apartments. Apartments including kitchen have been made available for the use of inmates if necessary. Veda Herbs and Drugs is the GMP certified Ayurvedic medicine manufacturing unit of Veda Group. The company is producing traditional medicines and patent drugs. Located near to the district headquarters of Pathanamthitta in Kerala, Vedagram Hospital is easily accessible by air, rail, and by road. Vedagram stands for the unique holistic treatment practices, with its rich heritage and magical healing powers that deliver the true spirit of healthy living to all.